So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the pso spine, we're gonna get into the neck. There's a lot of getting into, can't say it, right? So we're gonna get into the neck with the pso spine perpendicular. This feels really nice because we can put our neck right in between these little creases here, these little ridges that we have, and then even just focus on this one. So we're focusing really on the top part here. We can play around with our hips. But what we're gonna do is just working on that upper part right below the head, the skull, and just shifting side to side. Just doing little yes and no's, side to sides, up and downs, circles, and just finding, pinpointing some muscle. This feels really nice. If this is the only one that you have, you don't have the pso neck, or you have pso mini, you don't have a pso-RITE, and you just have the pso spine, this can work really nice. I can roll over onto it here. I can roll over to the other side, same thing, and just kind of just exploring. Now if I go up onto my hips, if I bring my hips up here, now I'm pushing more into the bottom part of this. Now I want to be really cautious if I'm pushing into the bone. We don't want to push too hard, remember? So just up just a little bit and just bring it right back down. Shifting side to side, bring it up, shifting side to side, nothing too crazy, okay? Now, you can also use this on the wall. Make sure you watch those videos. We're doing perpendicular and this way. And make sure you watch the one too where it's straight in line with your spine, because that's helping get into that upper part of your back and get in the neck, and you can feel a little bit of traction because you can be able to put your head right here and then kind of pull yourself down. I'll just show that real quick. So upper part of the traps, of the back, and then now I'm bracing those peaks right there, and then I'm pulling myself down. I can lift my hips up and I can shift right into it, side to side, and then pull myself down. Different sensation, different feeling in the pso neck and the pso-RITE. Try that one. It's one of my favorites.